Snails are small creatures that move very slowly. They may seem harmless as they glide along, but did you know that snails have teeth? That's right, these tiny creatures have thousands of teeth. These teeth are not like ours, though. You can't see them when a snail smiles. They are hidden inside the snail's mouth. These teeth are very small and are used for eating. Snail teeth are called a radula. This unique structure is fascinating and quite different from what we typically think of as teeth. The radula is like a tongue with teeth on it. These teeth are not like human teeth. They are much smaller and numerous. Imagine a ribbon covered in tiny teeth. This ribbon-like structure helps snails scrape food off surfaces. That is what a radula looks like. It's an incredible adaptation that allows snails to feed efficiently. The teeth are arranged in rows on the radula. Each row can have hundreds of tiny teeth. Different species of snails have different shaped teeth on their radula. This variation helps them adapt to their specific diets. The shape of the teeth depends on what the snail eats. Herbivorous snails have teeth suited for scraping plant material. Some snails have teeth that are sharp like knives. These are often carnivorous snails that need to cut through flesh. Other snails have teeth that are more like spoons. These are typically used for scooping or scraping softer food materials. Snails use their teeth to scrape food off surfaces. These tiny teeth are part of a structure called the radula, which acts like a miniature rasping tool. They can scrape algae off rocks, which is a common food source for many snails living in aquatic environments. They can even scrape tiny holes in plants, allowing them to feed on a variety of vegetation. Snails also use their teeth to scoop up food. This is particularly useful when they encounter soft organic material. They can scoop up soft fruits and vegetables, making them versatile feeders in various environments. The radula moves back and forth like a saw, efficiently cutting and grinding the food into smaller pieces. This helps the snail to break down its food into digestible bits, ensuring they get the necessary nutrients. The food then goes into the snail's stomach, where further digestion takes place, allowing the snail to thrive. Snail teeth and human teeth are very different. While they both serve the purpose of helping their owners eat, the similarities end there. Human teeth are made of enamel, a substance that is incredibly strong and durable. Enamel is the hardest substance in the human body, even harder than our bones. It protects our teeth from the wear and tear of daily use. Snail teeth, on the other hand, are made of chitin, a material that is both tough and flexible. Chitin is the same material that makes up the exoskeletons of insects and crustaceans, providing them with protection and support. This material allows snail teeth to be both strong enough to scrape food off surfaces and flexible enough to move with the snail's radula. Human teeth come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific function. We have incisors for biting into food, canines for tearing it apart, and molars for grinding it down into smaller pieces. Snails, however, have a different approach. They possess a radula, a ribbon-like structure covered with tiny teeth. The shape and number of these teeth can vary depending on the species of snail, adapting to their specific dietary needs. One fascinating aspect of snail teeth is that they are constantly being replaced. As old teeth wear down, new ones grow in their place. This continuous replacement ensures that snails always have a fresh set of teeth ready to help them feed. Human teeth, on the other hand, are not replaced once they fall out. We only get one set of adult teeth to last a lifetime. If a human tooth is lost or damaged, it is gone forever, making dental care extremely important. Snails are amazing creatures with a unique way of eating. Their radula allows them to scrape algae off rocks or consume plant material efficiently. Their teeth may be small, but they are powerful tools that allow them to survive in a variety of environments. So next time you see a snail, remember that it is a tiny marvel of nature, equipped with an extraordinary set of teeth that are perfectly adapted to its way of life.